how to order at Tim Hortons in French. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I worked in the food industry when I was in university in French for a little bit, and I noticed that Anglophones or people who speak English that come to Quebec, they always say je veux. Je veux un café. Je veux une pizza. That is wrong. That is very caveman-like. You don't go to Domino's and say, I want pizza. Hello. So when you go to Quebec, you have to say something a bit more polite. There's a few ways to do it, but how I would recommend to you, which always works, is j'aimerais commander. J'aimerais commander blank. So if you want a coffee, j'aimerais commander un café. Whatever is on the screen or on the menu, you can just put after j'aimerais commander. So j'aimerais commander un café, j'aimerais commander whatever you want. Hey there, thank you for your comment. Yes, there are other ways to order in French. Here are the options. So last TikTok I said j'aimerais commander. You can also say j'aimerais avoir. You can also say puis-je avoir or est-ce que je peux avoir, or you could say je voudrais, right? So you take any of those and you put whatever you want to order after it. And those are the polite ways of saying it.